Welcome to our sneak peek behind the scenes at Zuii Organic HQ. Organic means something different to us all, and at Zuii, it's a way of life. Zuii Organic was originally born to fill a gap in the cosmetic market by developing a range of accessible organic products. With the growth of the organic lifestyle, our manufacturing processes have grown to meet increased demand. We're so lucky to have the rare advantage of our own manufacturing facilities here in Australia. And right here is where we produce every single one of your favourite Zuii Organic goodies. As of right now, we're producing and distributing over 1 million organic products per year, and that's a number that's just continuing to grow. We live and breathe the Zuii Organic brand. We're the brand custodians in every way and quality control every single part of the process, right down to the finest drop of oil or the slightest inclusion of aloe vera. And this unique setup is what helps us provide 100% transparency at all times. Transparency and truth are at the heart of everything we do here at Zuii. Transparency in our ingredients allows you to know exactly what you're putting onto your skin. Transparency in our manufacturing processes shows you just how we create your favorite foundations or your favorite self tanners. It's about you feeling reassured and confident every single time you wear Zuii Organic. We're real people, hand-making real products that provide real results, working to create a much cleaner and a much greener future for everyone. This is only the story so far, so please join us to see what the next chapter of Zuii Organic is.